Hello, I'm Ria. I'm here in one of my properties and I'm here with Jared, my contractor. So his work today will be taking out the satellite dish, and that's the satellite dish he's gonna take out. So Jared, can you tell our viewers why it is important not to install a satellite dish, or if the satellite dish is already installed in your roof, why is it important to take down and not to install a satellite dish in the roof if you are planning to use satellite dish?
Well, when you install a satellite dish in the roof, what happens is they just typically would run like a long lag screw like this down through your sheeting, down through your shingle. And over time, just the movement and the expansion and contraction, the caulk that they put around it doesn't stay pliable enough to keep it sealed off, and it creates a lot of a good blockage for water to build up behind and eventually start getting down through where all them lags go down through the roof, and it almost always becomes a soft spot. In the first 5 to 10 years it'll start to leak pretty quickly. So by taking it down, you take the stress from the wind always moving that satellite around on your roof and creating a possible leak.
Alright guys, so I hope you learned something from having a satellite dish installed in the roof. Number one, it can cause a leak for the water to go into your house. Number two, I had this experience. I had a satellite dish installed in the fence though, and it ripped out my fence. So I had to fix my fence and put it back up. So now I'm having my contractor Jared take down the satellite dish before it does more problem into my house. Take care. Happy investing.